Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican-style macaroni salad. Start by boiling elbow macaroni until just tender, then rinse and cool. Fold in mayonnaise, mustard, diced pimentos, chopped scallions, grated carrot, vinegar, and a pinch of salt and black pepper, tasting as you go. Chill for at least 1 hour to let flavors meld and serve cold with fresh parsley for color. To make the dressing, whisk together mayonnaise, yellow mustard, white vinegar, a little sugar, and a splash of milk until smooth. Taste and adjust for balance between tang and creaminess, then fold this into cooled pasta gently so the sauce coats but does not become soupy. Add diced pimentos and grated carrot for sweetness and texture, and finish with chopped scallions for bright flavor. Start with 1 cup of mayo and adjust. After combining ingredients, press a piece of plastic wrap directly on the salad surface and chill for at least 1 hour to let flavors meld. Chilling firms the mayo and helps the macaroni absorb flavor without becoming waterlogged. Before serving, stir gently and taste for seasoning, adding more vinegar, salt, or hot pepper sauce as needed. Serve cold alongside jerk chicken or fried fish for a classic pairing. Garnish with parsley or sliced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.